Welcome to the session. This video is part of a series designed to help embedded system engineers learn core concepts, upskill and gain recognition in embedded system job opportunities. In today's video, we will start with an introduction to embedded system and explore the areas you need to learn in order to be successful in an embedded system career. Before we dive into definition, I want you to realize something. Embedded systems are all around us. In fact, we cannot imagine a single day without them. For example, in an average middle class home, yes, I mean middle class residences, you will find around 10 embedded system products used every single day. Now imagine how many more exist in a premium or sophisticated homes. See these products: microwave oven, Alexa, digital camera, your car infotainment system, and all other products shown here are embedded systems. From consumer electronics and industrial machines to healthcare devices and automobiles, embedded systems are everywhere, silently making technology smarter and enhancing our lives. Now, before defining what an embedded system really is, let us first understand what is general purpose systems. General purpose systems are things like laptops and desktops. They can do many tasks like watching movies, playing games, video editing, programming, you name it. Because of this versatility, they are relatively expensive, often costing hundreds of dollars. On the other hand, an embedded system is also a computing system, but it is designed to perform a specific function. For example, Alexa is built for voice assistants that will listen to your voice and respond. A digital camera is designed to capture photos and videos. These devices cannot do any other function than what they are designed for. Unlike general purpose systems, embedded systems are highly cost optimized. These devices are designed to perform specific tasks. These cannot perform multiple tasks similar to general purpose system. So unlike general purpose systems, embedded systems are highly cost optimized in both hardware and software, making them much cheaper and more efficient. Here is why learning embedded system is so important. With the rise of IoT, AI and automation, embedded systems are truly at the heart of the future. Gaining expertise in this field opens doors to careers in electronics, robotics, automotive, aerospace, healthcare and beyond. So, what should you focus on to build a strong career in embedded system? Here are the key areas. Device-driven development for embedded IOs like UART, USB, I2C, I2S, PCIe, display and many more interfaces. Embedded operating systems such as embedded Linux and other embedded OSs. We will also learn real-time operating systems and getting hold of embedded C. Interrupt service routine is one of the topic which you will frequently need to work in embedded systems. And embedded processors and microcontrollers. And you also need to learn optimization both in hardware and software. And debugging embedded systems and the tools that are required to do your embedded system development. We will cover each of these topics in detail in upcoming videos. Wish you a great learning journey ahead. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.